Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new series on UI component development. So what is meant by UI component? I want to show this by example and I will explain by using that example. Let me open my website and we can see this is a full functional website where we have some kinds of home page where we can see one header, one logo, and the space is there, one search bar, and another is you can see one card where you can see left hand side one image and other side is like a text and one button. At the end of this you can see there is a kind of footer which have 3 columns. So UI component is nothing, all small components, all a small piece of part you can say, this spacing, this header is a piece of part of this website, this part of website, this one is other part of this website. So what I will do in the whole series, I will create a small chunks, like a header I will create. In one video I will create hero image, in one video I will create sliders. So a small project, and at the end of this series what I will do, I will create one functional website by using all these small components. We will integrate together and we will see and how this series is organized, that I am telling you. First I will develop that component and I push the code into the GitHub. You can go and download from there. And after watching this, you can also create the same thing and post me in the comment box. I will see and I will tell you what is the problem in that and what you need to fix. This makes you to rectify your problem. So in the next video what I will do, I will create one small video on landing page. I will show you how we can create a landing page. Till that time, bye, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye everyone.